Here we are going to demonstrate about crop protection system. The major components of our project are Arduino Uno, GSM module, LCD, PIR sensor, unregulated power supply section. So the main power supply which we are going to get from this system is from the adapter AC. So first you have to turn on the adapter of an GSM module. Why? Because the GSM should get initialized first. So here it shows the network status, so it should blink slowly. So when it blinks slowly, this indicates that it is able to receive the signal of subscribed of a particular company. And the second thing is you have to close the PIR sensor, else if it detects any motion, it gets turned on. So then next you have to turn on the another adapter, so which gives an input power supply for the system. So initially it will give input power supply to the all the system. So the first indication is being done. Even if there is any gap, it gets detected, so you have to be careful. So when the PIR gets detected, it gives an input triggering pulse to the UNO board, which consists of an Atmega 328 microcontroller, and gives an output to the LCD display. And here you can see the motion, no motion has been detected, and through SMS it transmit the SMS that motion has been detected, like so. After detecting the person, it shows that motion has been detected through SMS. So this is how we can able to protect the system. So anyone enters into your field is being detected with the help of PIR sensor and gives an buzzer alert instantly, so that the person should get away from the field. So this is how the PIR sensor is being utilized, and the range of the PIR sensor will be like 0 to 180 degrees. So if the person moves around this, and the detection rate of the PIR sensor will be around 1.5 meter, so which is around 8 feet. Okay, so the range will be around 8 feet. So when there is any motion, so it gets detected. Even the person walks, సో ఒకసారి నడవండి అట్లా అండి అది ఆగిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు సో ఈవెన్ ద పర్సన్ passes from the long distance also, it shows that it has been detected. So this is how the PIR is that sensitive to detect the human beings. Thank you.